Water is one of the most essential resources for life. In our community, we depend on wells and other water resources for drinking, farming, and daily needs. However, these resources are now facing serious challenges like population, waste disposal, and overuse. If we do not take action, the water that sustains us may no longer be safe or enough for future generations. Through this presentation, we will explore the current state of our community's water resources, identify the problems to conserve and protect these vital resources for everyone. To better understand our situation, let us begin by asking some questions. First, what are the main water sources in our community? Have you noticed any changes in condition or cleanliness over the years? Next, let's think about how we actually use water. What are the common uses of water in our barangay? Of course, it's also important to ask, have you observed any problems related to water, such as pollution, shortage, or waste? Another concern is wastewater. How do households in our community usually manage it? Finally, let's reflect. Do you think our community has enough clean water for our daily needs? Why or why not?
What are the main water source in your community?
Water district.
Water source.
Mo na yung mong gamit diri.
Ang main source in your water. Have you noticed any changes in the condition or cleanliness of these water sources over the years? Or doon sa inyong paggamit?
Okay. Okay ra ang water district kung man siya. Kana siya nga tubig. Pwede siya.
Pwede.
Ang puso, bomba. Kaya na nang source. Dili siya maayo kay kung siya kanang mabaw ra ba? Dili siya gid.
Mabaw ang
Pag maghimo ba mo nang dili siya hindo kung kaya balason.
balason ang water. What are the common uses of your barangay? Sa may common water na gamit ninyo?
Akong nahibawan diri sa among barangay ang water district may kasagaran gigamit.
Tagsa lang ang bomba.
Tagsa lang siya.
And have you observed any problems related to water such as pollution, shortage, or shortage sa water?
Oh, kay ragsa naman mo ang gas mo nang ma-shoot di ka magpugig salod, di pug ka tubig. Oh, kay kuan man. May klarong agas ang water.
How do households in the community usually manage wastewater? Saan niyo pag-manage sa water?
Kuan magtibo kag salod kung agas aron maka-save kag tubig aron makagamit ang tanan tibok pamilya.
Matag sa'yo?
Sayo ya magpundog tubig.
Do you think your community has enough clean water for daily needs? Why or why not?
Ano dito?
Enough ba ang clean water, ang yung tubig ninyo, water source sa daily needs ninyo?
Enough na siya kay magsahod magkagtubig. Magsalod magkagsayo pa mo nang masakto siya. Enough.
Water?
Oh.
So, what are the main water source in your community? Sa inyong barangay, unsa jud inyong ginagamit nga tubig?
Sa ginagamit ginamo nga tubig diri sa sagaran sa amo diri nga area isa mo ging hawas.
Awas gripo
Oo,
na, sa
pero-
water district.
Dili man ingon nga halos adlaw-adlaw gid ang agas namo diri gid nagi time nga mawala gid siya di ba nga diri mi sa bomba mo kuan mo sa tawag
So, ang inyong main water source is
Oo.
ang gripo, ang bomba. So, have you noticed any changes in the condition or cleanliness of this water over the years? So, nakapansin ba ka? Sige. Nakapansin ba kaya og kuan nang nagbag-o pod ang condition sa kahinloan sa
Yan.
tubig kada year, every year?
na siya time nga makuan gid siya kaning entrada ni mog salod kaya nga malaktawan bitaw siya nga wala siya salod-salod sa pila ka adlaw. Ay time siya nga magbaguan ni mog salod. Mulubog siya pero mutin-aw ra din siya pagka taud-taud.
So, mag-change po na kada ay kanang
Oo.
over years.
Oo, mo siya po siya.
Ah. So, what are the common uses of your barangay? Ang ginagamit yun ninyo sa barangay? sa base sa imong naobserbahan niya, unsa jud ang ginagamit sa imong barangay nga tubig gikan?
Sa lalo mo naman gini yuta gini kan kuan mo siya naman siya tubo. Tubo nga ilang gikuan sa nagtaod ang nagtaod na is barangay ra mo nagtaod ani. Pero wala ko kasayad kung asa gid gamin ang tubig gid ang kuan ani kaysa barangay ra mo pinag.
So ang common uses jud niyo is kana jud gripo rag
Mm.
kuan. So have you observed any problems related to water such as pollution, shortage or waste? So nakapansin ba kag mga problema pud sa gripo ug sa bomba kanang sa nahugawan ba o nya kakulangan?
Tama goy aw sa gripo kanang usahay siguro kung ang nabantayan kanang siguro magbagyo ana
Lubog.
mulubog siya pero sambal lang siguro na ako makita mo kanang adlaw-adlaw nga mulubog siya. Init kuan ra siya kanang inigbag na bagyo kanang daot ang panahon or daot ba ang main namo sa dito sa kani sa Tagibo kay Tagibo may sa gripong ikuha. Basta nung daot pud ang kuan nila mao mulubog.
Nya diri sa kuan niya sa bomba naka-observe pud ka lang kakulangan kahugawan mga ana.
Sa una naka-observe ko sa una pero karon wala naman ko naka-observe karon kay murag bago pa bugon ka uli po diri. Ikan buog Davao. Karon na po ko nakakuan.
So, how do households in the community usually manage wastewater? Yun sa inyo pag-manage sa inyong barangay kaning wastewater?
Oh, minsan lang manage pa na yung limpyuhan. Kuanan kanang alisdan og mga kuan karon lang wala siya naalisdan kay siyempre tatambay na ug siya mo na medyo gubok-tabok nang ba.
Do you think your community has enough clean water for daily needs? So, pili mo ya, okay na ba ni sa inyo ning tubig nga naa karon sa inyong pang adlaw-adlaw nga gamiton?
Oh, okay na kay ni sa amo eh. Importante na kini sa amo ning naibomba kay ang awas man gud dili magidingon nga adlaw-adlaw nga naay agas di magidingon so na may panahon nga wala anong kagas so udangok mo diri sa bomba kay may agas sa kuan awas.
Sige, thank you ya.
Okay na.
From what we've gathered, it is clear that while our community continues to rely on water district, mills, and other natural sources, their condition is slowly declining. Pollution, improper waste disposal, and overuse are already affecting the cleanliness and availability of water. We also see that water is used not just for drinking, but for washing dirty clothes, cooking, cleaning, and many other essential activities.
Based on the local individual we interviewed, our team gathered some information about what causes their water sources to be polluted. Undisrupted are the typhoons and floods. Because of it will affect the water qualities and cleanliness since the sources of this water are from a dam in Tagibo and groundwater.
The problems we identified show us the urgent need to take action. So, what we can do? Let us now look at some visible strategies to improve water conservation in our community.
First, organize community cleanups of rivers, lakes, and waterways. What to do? Coordinate local events where volunteers clean litter and debris from nearby rivers, lakes, and storm drains to prevent pollution and improve water quality. Why it helps? Clean water sources reduce the need of intensive treatment and encourage people to value and protect water bodies in their area.
The second one is encourage home, school, and community center to install rainwater collection system like barrel or rooftop catchment supported by local workshop or subsides.
Third one, create local water conservation awareness campaign. What to do? Use flyers, social media, school events, and town meetings to educate residents on particular water saving. Tips like fixing leaks, turning off taps, and using water efficiency appliances. What it helps? Raising awareness fosters long-term behavior change, making water conservation a shared community responsibility.
By applying these strategies, we can ensure that our water resources remain clean and sufficient. Water is life, and protecting it is not just the task of the government, but the whole community. Together, through this cooperation and awareness, we can secure safe and sustainability water for both present and future generations.
Go.
Water is one of the resources we have. In our community, we depend on rivers, wells, and other water resources for drinking, farming, and irrigation. However, this resource is facing serious.
Now look at the same visible strategies to improve water conservation.
Our community will depend on
6, 7, go!
네 눈앞에 왔잖아 내가 여기 있잖아 너의 입술로 말을 해줘 Say yes 나도 모르게
Continues to rely on water district, wells and other natural sources, their condition is slowly declining. To use
1, 2, 3, go.